Hi! Today I had the chance to get all my wood to build a carport behind my shop for my firewood. And I'm starting tomorrow morning. When I look at my shop from my deck, I like what I see. But when we look at it from the back, it's another story. That's why we're going to make a carport for our firewood, just like this. In the end, it should look pretty much like this. But before getting there, we still have a lot to do. First of all, we need to move all the firewood from there. The only place where it won't damage the lawn is here, just beside the house. This took us a whole day, but in the end, we managed to move all of it. Now we can take care of the concrete posts. I need 4 of them. Here, I mark the center of each one on the remaining tiles. And to make the holes, I rented an auger. This will be easier than digging it by hand. As you can see, we're using the marks I made and a rope to find exactly where to drill. And here we go. The first 2 feet or so are easy, but after that, it's all clay. This was hard. Lucky for me, René was there to help. Otherwise, we would have placed the sonotube inside the hole. But we still need to drill 3 more. Later in the evening, I took advantage of the sunset and with my laser level marked all the sonotubes at the same height. My laser is not powerful enough to work outside in the sunlight. The next day, I trimmed them. Just before mixing the concrete, I add a rebar inside each hole. And then it's a go. In all, we mixed 30 66-pound bags. And here the job is done. I just need to wait for my wood to arrive. But while I'm waiting, I can mix some chlorine with water and wash the shop's walls. Those gray spots bother me. And with the chlorine mix, the wood returns clear just as the day I put it in place. But it's quite long on the ladder like that. So while I wash the back, René gives a coat of preservative on the windows. Yes, the rest of the shop was already cleaned. But I'm happy with the result. A couple of days later, we're able to brush preservative everywhere. The only thing missing is the wood now. And it's time to take care of that. So I go and get my wood at the Goodfellow wood yard. Yes, they were so kind to supply me with the wood for this project. What I liked about Goodfellow's Terra-treated wood specifications is that it's using an environmentally friendly process and it's also robust and resistant to degradation caused by insects or rot. So it's good for Mother Nature and there's no need to redo my carport or replace the wood before a very long time. And now that it's here, I'm finally ready to start. By the way, if you're around and would like to give me a bit of help, you're welcome. I don't think this will be long to build, but just like the shop, this will be heavy. Don't forget to stick around because you'll see more on this carport in future episodes of the Woodpecker.